This is an absolute beginner's guitar lesson, and in this video I'm gonna show you 2 chords with only 1 finger and 1 chord which uses 2 fingers, which you can use to play 2 really popular songs just like that. Alright, the first chord we're gonna look at is a 2-finger chord. Just needs 2 finger and it's an A minor. So first put your first finger on the first fret of the 2nd string or the B string, and then your second finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Okay, and that's all you need. And you're gonna strum these top 3 strings. Sounds like that. Alright, so this is for the absolute beginners there who just want to start playing guitar and maybe play some songs and the common chords are really difficult for them. So this is the simplest way you can start learning chords, playing songs, you know, making music, having fun. So the first chord is an A minor. Okay, for the next 2 chords you're just gonna need only 1 finger. Second chord is a C. So the C chord is the first finger on the first fret of the 2nd string, and I've shown this chord in one of those guitar lessons I did earlier. I'll maybe put a link to it. You can go check it out if you want to. Okay, for the third chord, the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. Just that, and we are all strumming just these top 3 strings. Just to recap: A minor, C, and G. Alright, you know which song uses just those 3 chords? It's Shake It Off by Taylor Swift, which was a super big hit just a few years ago. So the song uses 8 strums on the A minor chord, 8 strums on the C chord, and then 16 strums on the G chord. So that's 8 times 2. We count as 8 times 2. Okay, so excuse my singing, but it goes like this. I stay up too late, got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. Ooh, that's what people say. I go on many dates, I can make them stay. That's what people say. Oh, and that's what people say. Ooh, but I keep moving, can't stop, won't stop moving. Like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. Okay, and so on and so forth. I hope you didn't mind that singing. That's the way that song goes. Alright, so the next song is Riptide by Vance Joy. I don't know if you remember that song, but it was a big hit as well. So that song also uses the same 3 chords, but the sequence is A minor, G, and then C. So we're just changing a little bit. So on Riptide we're going to do 4 strums on the A minor, 4 strums on the G, and then 8 strums on the C. Okay, again, excuse the singing, but it goes like this. Alright, and so on and so forth. Okay, so use those 3 simple chords to start strumming, play it with your friends, and maybe annoy them a little bit and be that guy in the party. It's better than playing Wonderwall. Alright, okay, so alright, enjoy. And if you had fun learning those simple stuff, please give me a like, a subscribe, because I keep on posting really simple, easy to learn guitar lessons every day. And also leave me a comment actually if that helped you, or maybe you want to learn something more or would be helped by me covering something else as well. Alright, so see you next time. Cheers.